guys, it's Gia here, and I'm back with another epic unboxing. So, I wonder what is in here. It's kind of heavy. It's not super heavy, but it has some oomph to it, okay? So let's get into the unboxing. This is the second drone unboxing, okay? Oh. You ready for the real unboxing? Second drone, bam! Here we go. Here is the Phantom 3 SE, DJI Phantom 3 SE. Ooh, and it's the gold. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. So let's go over some of the specs, okay? This shoots in 4K. That's right, 2160p is what I really wanted, because those of you who know, I do videography, okay? So music videos, recap videos, cinematography, short films, parodies, you name it, I do it. I don't just do YouTube, right? So this was something that I really wanted. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, let's get into the real unboxing of this amazing creation. All right, got the tabs are at the bottom here, so we're just gonna pull those out. Understand the user manual and all other safety instructions before using this equipment. That's how you know this is professional grade. So I think we should read the manual, but I'm not going to read it on camera because that'd just be too long. It's a little envelope, and inside you will find stickers. Oh, so cool. So gold, silver, kind of like a purplish color, red, burgundy-ish, and here's the real purple. So I guess that purple that I showed you before was pink, and it just says DJI. Ooh, cool, so cool, so cool. So let's put that back in there. Here's the manual. Let's see the drone. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's moments like this that mean the most. Alright, Oscar award-winning performance there. Anyways. Anyways, so here's the controller. And of course, it's already ready, you know, for us big phone users. Okay? Get the drone out, man. Let's get the drone out. Oh, I get it. It's absolutely beautiful. So now the stickers make sense. Okay, so if you look closely here, these gold stripes are stickers. Okay, and then the little DJI is a sticker in the middle. So you can switch those out. They're interchangeable, right? So that's cool. I'm going to keep it gold for now. I'm not in a rush. There goes an actual 4K 2160p camera right there. So you can see it's the bottom of it. Okay. Ooh, Phantom. Okay, this is the Phantom 3 SE. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's put it back down there. The blades, duh! And I think you can buy these blades for like $15 or $20. So that might be like one of the cheapest things you can get. That and the stickers. Because other than that, this costs $600. So I'll leave a link to how you can purchase it right off of the DJI website. So I'm just going to show you one. That's what they look like. And again, I think you can get these between $15 and $20, I believe. You only need 4, and I think they give you 8. So they do give you a second pair just in case one breaks or something. Thank you all for tuning in to see my unboxing of the DJI Phantom 3 SE. There it is, you guys. I'll definitely be doing reviews, test videos, and such on both of the drones. If you enjoyed watching videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you can be notified when any video I post is uploaded. Yeah, deuces.